Assuming you're searching for Axie vastness cost expectations, conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Axie limitlessness will go from here on out. We will explicitly dissect the previous costs of Axie boundlessness and will commonly figure out what specialists in every way that really matters are saying regarding its future cost activity. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation in each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master, examiners incredibly. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally unthinkable. However, we will generally attempt our sort of the best. We should begin. Axie boundlessness past value examination amazingly. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Axie boundlessness is $8.61 and X is presently commonly positioned number 54 in the by and large whole crypto biological system, or so they thought. The dissemination supply of Axie limitlessness is 115,605,573 with a market cap of $994,958,228. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto really has been especially diminished by 0.59% in its ongoing worth, which is genuinely critical. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. From absolute most recent 7 days, the Axie was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.99%. Axie vastness has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and for the most part contribute. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie by and large diminished by 30.760%, killing an incredible normal amount of $3.82 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be in every way that really matters. Great explicitly purchase a valuable open door for all things considered, fast venture. The 90 days cost change is around 6.36% and the cost circled from a genuinely least typical cost of $7.94 to most extreme really normal cost of $8.35 in the beyond 90 days. In kind of most recent 4 months, Axie boundlessness has shown a developing pattern. Hence, we by and large think that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, which generally is very huge. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Axie vastness is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost in an unobtrusive manner. The coin sort of is up by 23.76% with the greatest pretty typical cost of the coin was around $7.15 and the base typical value of was around $6.80 and for the most part beyond 4 months. We anticipate future Axie endlessness cost expectations, the excess gauge by applying profound in every way that really matters. Man-made reasoning helped specialized examination on the past value information of Axie boundlessness. We give our altogether kind of most extreme verifiable information for the Axie coin which incorporates sort of numerous boundaries like past value, Axie boundlessness market cap, Axie endlessness volume and hardly any considerably more in a significant manner. On the off chance that you are looking to generally put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecast. Axie vastness value expectation 2023 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Axie. In 2023, the cost of Axie boundlessness fundamentally is really anticipated to reach at a kind of least degree of $10.59. The Axie cost can arrive at in every practical sense, greatest degree of $12.35 with the typical exchanging cost of $10.91, which is genuinely critical. Axie endlessness value expectation 2024 Axie limitlessness cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $15.41 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the Axie cost could arrive at a most extreme certainly conceivable degree of $18.24 with the typical conjecture cost of $15.85. Or so they thought. Axie value figure for 2025 the cost of Axie limitlessness for the most part is anticipated to reach at a kind of least worth of $21.73 in 2025. The Axie vastness cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $26.51 with the typical exchanging cost of $22.36 all through 2025. Really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2026. The cost of one Axie endlessness is supposed to, in every way that really matters, reach at the very least degree of $30.44 in 2026. The Axe cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $37.92, with the typical cost of $31.56 all through 2026. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Axie endlessness is anticipated to reach at a fundamentally least worth of $45.17 in 2027. The Axie vastness cost could especially arrive at a most extreme worth of $52.42, with the very normal exchanging cost of $46.75 all through 2027. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2028. Axie Limitlessness cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal, fundamentally conceivable degree of $65.60 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Axe cost could explicitly arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $79.67, with the typical figure cost of $67.94. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Axe, in 2029 the cost of Axie Limitlessness is estimated to generally be at around a base worth of $96.96 in a significant manner. The Axie Endlessness value worth can arrive at a limit of $115.03, with the typical exchanging worth of $99.67 in USD. Amazingly, Axie Endlessness Value Gauge 2030. The cost of Axie Boundlessness is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $136.68 in 2030 in an unpretentious manner. The Axie Limitlessness cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $166.98, with the exceptionally normal cost of $140.66 all through 2030. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2031. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Axie vastness is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $207.51. The Axe cost can truly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $237.33, with the by and large normal worth of $214.55. In a significant manner, Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2032. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Axie Boundlessness is anticipated to in a real sense reach at least degree of $312.36. The Axe cost can especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of $359.07, with the very normal exchanging cost of $320.94. What really is the eventual fate of Axie Limitlessness? The fate of Axie vastness is profoundly especially subject to the general presentation of the crypto business. At the point when it by and large comes to putting resources into Axe, you want to for the most part ensure that you are utilizing the right system, or so they especially thought. This sort of venture isn't appropriate for those with a helter-skelter risk profile. Notwithstanding, still a brilliant venture for those generally have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, Axe likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing biological system, as opposed to prevalent thinking. What amount will Axie vastness in a real sense be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Axie vastness will especially have a base cost of $52.42 and a most extreme cost of $45.